gonna unbox the Lumos projector, which I got for myself for my birthday recently. So I ordered it from on 22nd of June and just received it today. And my birthday was supposed to be 30th, so it's okay. Got my late birthday present. So today I'm gonna unbox this.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I choose the Smart Lumos Ray projector, which has the built-in Netflix and YouTube. Yeah, some others apps too.
So how much did you buy it? Really?
778 ringgit after 20 ringgit discount. So here's the box. Lumos Ray projector. They have Lumos in every side of the box. So
Start unbox.
I'm so excited. Oh my god.
So the inside is like this.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. So kita read. Here is the Lumos projector. This is the size. And all the accessories, I mean the wires. They have remote. Okay.
So basically this is sticker, sticker,
Yeah.
sticker, and this is where the lights come up, and ada power cord from behind, and all the
Ada
button is up.
USB, HD, AV. This one can also be used using Bluetooth speaker. So I'm gonna try this and show you guys.
So basically, what's in the box is you got this one Lumos projector.
The wire, manual book, and the remote.
Yes, and you got the remotes without battery, so you need to buy some battery to put into this remote. So next is we will going to try and on this projector, okay? So let's see.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I said, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak.
So the Wi-Fi is connected already, so we can surf the video website.
Okay, so kita akan mulakan dengan we'll change the date and time later. So coming to YouTube.
Alright, so we're going to test the video quality by opening up 4K video on YouTube.
The sound is quite loud.
Macam iklan dalam wayang. Wow, the image is very sharp. If you ask me, it is very sharp.
So we just tested YouTube for local untuk kegunaan like USB pen drive
Yes.
or whatsoever.
Hard disk, pen drive.
Air screen is usually that from phone.
Yes.
Can use air screen, and then this one if pakai HDMI and Bluetooth speaker. So we're gonna try Netflix.
Alright, let's go Netflix.
Obviously, my favorite series, Prison Break,
Let's
which
go.
I've watched 3 to 4 times.
Michael Scofield. So we managed to connect to our Spotify. So we're going to test some music.
Dua Lipa.
So even with all these lights, it is quite clear.
నరలోకం సంవధం నరద్వారం ఉద్ఘటితుం ప్రారంభం